Hello guys. Welcome to WhatVwant, a technology vlog. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you 8 best free VPN services. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. If you are new to our channel, click on the red color subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Without any delay, let's get started. Number 1. AtlasVPN. AtlasVPN is a new VPN service that provides its services at the highest possible speeds. This VPN came into existence in January 2020. AtlasVPN never stores logs of your internet activity and IP address. It always uses the best advanced security systems to make you anonymous. Every time it connects you to the fastest servers to provide the best experience while using it. Features of AtlasVPN. Fastest servers are selected. IPv2 protocols. Torrenting allowed. Logging and privacy. Money-back guarantee. Number 2, HideMe. HideMe is one of the best free VPN services without having too many restrictions. You can get 10 GB of data for free and allows you to connect to one device and limited to 3 server locations. Moreover, it doesn't store any user data and doesn't pass any info to third parties. HideMe was a German-based VPN during its initial days. However, it now supports the English language and is available all over the world. Features of HideMe. It has 1560 servers located in 60 countries. No data transfer logs. Multiple protocols like IPv2, OpenVPN, Soft Ether, and SSTP. Guarantees 99.99% uptime. Number 3, TunnelBear. TunnelBear is another free VPN service that you need to download today as it has unique features. By using this, you can keep your personal information securely and anonymously. Without throttling or buffering, one can enjoy the service. It protects data if you lose your Wi-Fi connection and will block all unsecured traffic. TunnelBear uses strong AES 256-bit encryption by default. Moreover, it is available for both mobile and desktop clients. Features of TunnelBear. It has a user base of 21 million across the globe. Uses AES 256-bit encryption. Switch unlimited servers by checking the servers online. It offers monthly 500 megabytes for free. Number 4, Hotspot Shield. Hotspot Shield is a popular mobile VPN application that is now available for most operating systems and devices. It is mostly useful for minimal users. It allows you to watch and download your favorite shows from popular streaming platforms with blazing speeds. Hotspot Shield provides military-grade encryption to keep you anonymous. You can access 10 devices securely with one account. It is compatible with various devices like Windows, Android, iOS, and macOS, etc. Features of Hotspot Shield. It offers 3,200+ servers in 80+ countries. Free version with military-grade encryption. Included with a location privacy feature. Patented Hydra protocol. Can link a single account to 5 devices. Number 5, CyberGhost VPN. With CyberGhost VPN, your IP address will be replaced with one from the CyberGhost network. Nobody will be able to pry into your conversations, browsing history, or online transactions, even on public Wi-Fi. Also, it provides safety whenever you visit a new website by checking the URL in the database. Your online activities are encrypted and available for Windows, Mac, iOS, and Android platforms. Features of CyberGhost VPN. No logs policy. Strong encryption. Larger server fleet. Fast speeds. Money-back guarantee. 24/7 support. Number 6, Windscribe. Although, Windscribe is new to free VPN services its generous data allowance and commitment to protecting your privacy. In this, you get 10 GB bandwidth per month as standard and can choose from 8 remote server locations. Windscribe encrypts your browsing activity, blocks ads, and unblocks entertainment content. It doesn't store any of the personal info or login details. Features of Windscribe: servers in over 69 countries and 134 cities. Blocks IPs and domains of your choice on all devices. No identifying logs. Strongest encryption. Generate OpenVPN, IKEv2, and WireGuard configs. Number 7. Zenmate VPN. Zenmate VPN uses top-level encryption to keep your passwords and banking information safe. You can download the content and browse the securely on any Wi-Fi connection. Zenmate's VPN hides your IP and encrypts your traffic. Features of Zenmate VPN: servers across 77 countries and 117 cities. Optimized servers for streaming. Highest possible connection speeds. Split tunneling for Android users. More encryption protocols. Available for all the popular platforms. Number 8. VyprVPN. VyprVPN is easy to connect and the best VPN for privacy and streaming. Securing the privacy of the user is the main goal of VyprVPN. It has a huge user base across the globe with 15 years of excellence in providing service. It will allocate you a new IP address whenever you connect to it. VyprVPN is available for various popular platforms. Features of VyprVPN: will serve from 700 servers. You will be allotted a new IP address every time you use it. No third parties are involved with VyprVPN services in any way. Offered with DNS protection which avoids middleman attacks. Hope you like this tutorial. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Subscribe to our channel for regular updates. And don't forget to hit the bell icon.